Imagine being able to make money online in 2025 without needing a single follower. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to start selling digital products using free tools and platforms that anyone can access. First, let's talk about picking a digital product. The key here is to solve a small problem. Think about what people struggle with daily. It could be a planner template, a budgeting spreadsheet, or even a simple guide on how to organize their workspace. The more specific you can be, the better. For instance, if you create a Notion template that helps people manage their time effectively, you're addressing a common pain point. Next, let's set up your store without needing a website. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are perfect for this. They allow you to create a storefront in minutes. Just upload your digital product, set a price, and you're ready to go. You don't need to worry about hosting or complicated setups. Just focus on creating a great product and let these platforms handle the sales for you. Now, how do you get traffic without followers? This is where Pinterest and Quora come into play. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your product on Gumroad or Etsy. You can also answer questions on Quora related to your product. If someone asks how to stay organized, you can share your Notion template as a solution. This way, you're driving targeted traffic to your store without needing an existing audience. Once you start making sales, it's time to automate your tasks. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Use it to generate marketing copy, respond to customer inquiries, or even brainstorm new product ideas. By automating these tasks, you free up your time to focus on creating more products and scaling your business. Finally, let's talk about scaling what sells. Keep track of your sales dashboard to see which products are performing well. If a particular template is flying off the shelves, consider creating variations or complementary products. This not only increases your revenue, but also builds a brand around your offerings. In conclusion, making money selling digital products in 2025 is entirely possible without an audience. Focus on solving problems, utilize free platforms, drive traffic creatively, automate your processes, and scale effectively. I encourage you to think about what digital product you can create. Share your ideas in the comments below. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.